All right, so as we look at the deck here, you'll see this is a Trex Enhanced Natural deck board. You've got hidden fastener system in the Toasted Sand color. So you've got a 25-year fade stain warranty on this, as well as a 25-year manufacturer warranty. So maintenance free is the big aspect when it comes to Trex and the composite in general. But as we look here in the center, you're going to see we've done a blocking technique down the middle. So what that does is gives you a natural break between two sections. So giving you a dining and a grilling area here on the left-hand side, as well as a lounging area here on the right. So giving the homeowner the ability to have two entertaining areas with a natural break to them. So if we take a look here at the deck boards with the hidden fastener system, you'll notice there's no topical deck screws, not allowing for splintering and things like that through the life of the material. Really giving you a benefit, not touching screws when you're walking around barefoot, things like that. Also, when we look at the rail system here, it's a Trex Reveal powder coated aluminum, so with a 2x2 post. What it really gives you is an unobstructed view to the outdoor space behind you here. So that's what a lot of homeowners are looking for. I really like this look. This has been Brett with Montell Construction. Thanks for joining us on this week's episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. We'll catch you next week.